Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about top 50 basic chemistry MCQs. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Which radiation is most penetrating? Option A alpha, B beta, option C gamma, and option D neutron. So the correct option is C gamma. Explanation is the exceptional penetration power of gamma is a direct consequence of their physical characteristics and their minimal interaction cross section with matter. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Ali Technologist. Which element has the highest electronegativity? Option A sodium, B fluorine, C chlorine, chloride, and option D oxygen. So the correct option is B fluorine. Fluorine is the most electronegative element. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The formula of sulfuric acid is option A HCl, B H2SO4, C HNO3, and option D H3PO4. So the correct option is B H2SO4. H2SO4 is a sulfuric acid. Basically is a strong mineral acid. Which compound is insoluble in water? Option A NaCl, B AgCl, C KNO3, and option D NaOH. So the correct option is B AgCl. Silver chloride is the most common insoluble salt. A solution with pH equal to 2 is dash. Option A weakly acidic, B strongly acidic, C weakly basic, and option D neutral. So the correct option is B strongly acidic. pH less than 7 is acidic. Lower pH equal to stronger acidity. The function group OH represents option A aldehyde, B alcohol, C ketone, and option D carboxylic acid. So the correct option is B alcohol. Explanation is the hydroxyl group is found in alcohols, for example ethanol. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. At equilibrium, the rate of the forward reaction is dash. Option A greater than reverse, B less than reverse, C equal to reverse, and option D 0. So the correct option is C equal to reverse. At equilibrium, forward and reverse rates are equal. Alkaline metals belong to which group? Option A group 1, B group 2, C group 17, and option D group 18. So the correct option is A group 1. Example is lithium, sodium, and potassium, highly reactive metals. A pH of 7 indicates that a solution is dash. Option A acidic, B basic, C neutral, and option D amphoteric. So the correct option is C neutral. So explanation is pH 7 is neutral. For example, pure water. A catalyst speeds up a reaction by option A increasing activation energy, B decreasing activation energy, C changing equilibrium, and option D absorbing heat. So the correct option is B decreasing activation energy. Catalysts provide an alternative pathway with lower E. The process by which a solid changes directly into a gas is called dash. Option A evaporation, B sublimation, C condensation, and option D melting. So the correct option is B sublimation. Dry ice CO2 sublimate at room temperature. Atomic radius increases dash. Option A across a period, B down a group, C with increasing electronegativity, and option D with increasing ionization energy. So the correct option is B down a group. More electron shells equal to larger atomic size. NaCl is an example of dash. Option A covalent bond, B ionic bond, C metallic bond, and option D hydrogen bond. So the correct option is B ionic bond. The solubility of gases and liquids increases with dash. Option A increasing temperature, B decreasing pressure, C decreasing temperature, and option D increasing volume. So the correct option is C decreasing temperature. Explanation is gases dissolve better in cold liquids. So this is very important MCQ. The molar mass of H2SO4 is option A 49 gram per mole, B 98 gram per mole, C 100 gram per mole, and option D 196 gram per mole. So the correct option is B 98 gram per mole. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। बीटा particles are dash. Option A electrons, B protons, C neutrons, and option D helium nuclei. So the correct option is A electron. Beta particles are high energy electrons. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Elements in the same group have similar. Option A atomic mass, B chemical properties, C density, and option D melting point. So the correct option is B chemical properties. Same group is equal to same valency electrons is equal to similar reactivity. The oxidation state of oxygen and H2O2 is dash. Option A -2, option B -1, option C +1, and option D +2. So the correct option is B minus 1. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. The pH at which an enzyme has maximum activity is known as dash. Option A, isoelectric pH. B, optimum pH. Option C, low pH. And option D, high pH. So the correct option is B, optimum pH. Enzymes show peak activity at their optimal pH. Degradation of proteins to amino acid, glucose from carbohydrates, and fatty acid from lipids is known as dash. Option A, anabolism. B, metabolism. C, catabolism. And option D, cretinism. So the correct option is C, catabolism. Catabolism breaks down complex molecules. Thank you for watching my videos.